Hey everyone, Anthony here with another Thursday Thoughts. And before I get into it, just a reminder, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out. So I've got a quick update, and it's a good update this week. As you may know, I follow very closely the projections and the actual reporting of economic growth. Let me say that again, economic growth. So aside from the market and its growth or lack of growth, if 2022 is the case, the economy, our productivity also grows and declines. And sometimes that's very independent of the market. So if you've been following the headlines, you know that the first 2 quarters of this year, quarter is just 1/4 of the year. Therefore, the first half of the year, we had negative economic growth. Very slightly negative, especially in the second quarter. It was less than 1% negative, but still negative. Now, I've been watching very closely the projections, and this is done by the Federal Reserve, so it's not just, I'm not writing this on the back of a napkin myself. This is actual projections that the economy, was going to look to be very narrowly positive in the third quarter, which just ended at the end of September. So we were projecting positive, but so close that it could go either way. Well, actually, in the first week of October here, the projections have been revised upward so that we're expecting maybe north of 2% growth for the economy, which doesn't sound like a big number, but actually is a very big number compared to where we've been. So long story short, this is another one of those things to be a little optimistic about. I'm not saying this is a cure-all for every situation that we're going through, but it's nice to see a number revised to the good, and I do think that spells better things ahead for our economy as a whole.